Recently, the first ever Mangrove Pitta Bird census was held in Odisha. The objective of the census is to record the growth pattern of these birds and their population analysis. Mangrove Pitta are colorful birds which have black head with brown crown, white throat, greenish upper parts, buff underparts and reddish vent area. It is found in few areas of eastern India, including Odisha and West Bengal Sundarbans. The mangrove pitta bird is a ground forager and tree rester that primarily inhabits coastal mangrove forests in India. It is also found in Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia. It is currently listed in IUCN threatened list.